how to get rid of this clicking noise. Anybody knows how to solve this problem? It's really annoying. Just need to figure out how you get rid of this noise. It's really annoying. Anybody knows how to fix this noise? Very helpful. I can actually play this game without this annoying clicking noise.